Welcome to your journey into the Elixir programming language. Elixir is a dynamic, functional language designed for building scalable and maintainable applications. It's built on the Erlang VM, known for its low-latency, distributed, and fault-tolerant systems. In this lesson, you will learn how to print text to the console and how to write comments. Let's get started. Now, let's dive into what you'll learn in this lesson. We'll cover how to print text to the console using the io_puts function and how to add comments to your Elixir code. These fundamentals will set the stage for more complex interactions as we continue our journey into Elixir programming. Let's start with a fundamental task, printing text to the console. In Elixir, this is done using the io_puts function. Here's a simple example that prints the message, "Hello Elixir," to the console. This is your gateway to interacting with your program and understanding how it executes. Remember, the text you want to print is enclosed in double quotes, which defines a string in Elixir. Now, let's discuss adding comments in Elixir. Comments are crucial for making your code more understandable and maintainable. In Elixir, you can add comments using the hash symbol. Anything following this symbol on the same line will be treated as a comment and not executed as code. As shown in the example, you can add a comment before or after your code to explain what it does. This practice greatly enhances code readability for you and others who may work on your code in the future. Look at the slide to see how we've added comments to the io_puts example. Now, let's discuss why mastering how to print output is so crucial. Firstly, it aids in debugging by allowing you to print values to the console and understand what's going wrong with your code. Secondly, it makes user interaction simpler by providing essential feedback through printed messages. Lastly, printing to the console enhances learning and exploration, as seeing the immediate results of your code helps reinforce concepts. By understanding your program's flow and state, you can build more reliable and functional software.